So the process you can expect with working with Ivy Creek Landscapes is broken down into 4 stages. Stage 1 is the initial contacts. So we'll connect, we'll jump on the phone, get to know a little bit about you and the project, and ultimately schedule an in-person consultation on site. Stage 2 is actually broken down into 2 parts. It is a walkthrough on site and then the design. So what you can expect into the walkthrough is one of our professionals will come and meet you on site, get to know each other a little bit better, and get a much stronger understanding of the space, as well as the function you're trying to achieve and the aesthetics you're trying to have it look like. So you will receive your design as a PDF sent to your email. That will include both 2D and 3D renderings. All designs include 2 revision stages so we can make sure to get it dialed in to exactly what you're looking for. Once that design is completed, we go into stage 3, which is also broken down into 2 parts, which includes your proposal and your approval. So part 1, the quoting process, you will receive your quote that is direct to the design that you just received and is broken down by line item. You'll receive that as a PDF to your email, in which we will schedule a time to run through it together. Once you're ready to go and approve that quote, that moves us into part 2, which is the approval process. So the approval process includes the approved quote, a signed contract, as well as a deposit down on the project. Once we've gone through the approval of the quote, the signing of the contract, and the down payment for the deposit, we start getting into the fun part of things. We're getting into stage 4, which is the build process. And so during that pre-con meeting, that project manager will run through the entire design with you, as well as a quote to include the materials to make sure everything is up to standards and expectations based off the design that you received and the quote that you approved. During the build process, you're going to be giving one specific project manager, giving you that peace of mind, knowing that you have one constant point of contact through the project from beginning to end. So before we finishing everything up on your project and close out, we like to do a final walkthrough, which includes your project manager coming out to meet you and going through the entire project, ultimately leaving you with one last thing, and that is to enjoy the space. We like to make things as simple, as transparent, and smooth as possible, creating a beautiful space that you and your family can enjoy.